This is Julie with Julia's Journey, and I'm in Koh Samui, Thailand. I rented a scooter for the day, and I'm just going around the island, exploring, adventuring, taking roads that are unknown and unfamiliar to me, stopping when I want to stop. I found myself driving through the jungles of Thailand and coming across water buffaloes. I have lots of pictures on Facebook and Instagram under Julia Zetta's Journey. I accidentally stumbled across a waterfall. So I'm going to take you on the hike that I had to take to get to the waterfall. It was once a tourist attraction, but there is nobody here. It's very deserted. But let me show you where I think is the end of the trail, because there's nothing else around me, and I'll show you the waterfall. I am sitting on this rock. Hello. And it seems like the waterfall, and then there's like this huge tree in front of me, so I'm moving it for you. Seems like the waterfall goes downstream, so I'll take you on the quiet, beautiful hike that I took. Again, I'm the only one in this jungle, so here we go. I wanted to show you, here I am sitting on this rock under this tree that I moved out of the way to show you the waterfall. So there I was sitting just a few moments ago. I had to climb up, and this is what is around me. Just literally nothing. Jungles. And this is the path I took to get here. The pathway that I walked on. I'm going super slow because obviously there's okay. So most of the pathway was like that, and I just followed this rope and it'll lead me back. I came down on the rocks to the stream. Those are ordained trees. And I'll walk back up there. Here is the rope that will lead my way back. Just some more of the scenery. Just all green, beautiful. Sorry if I'm going too fast. The trail. I hear and see another waterfall over there, but I'm not sure if I'm able to get to it because there's lots of green and no pathway unless I find a pathway. Still hiking. It's about 250 meters from where I parked to the waterfall where I first started filming. It's my trusty rope. There it is. Leads the way, the path. This is the Wang Sao Thong Waterfall, and unfortunately I couldn't make it to the other side. So what I was saying was it's completely abandoned. there. Let me show you. This is actually where I parked, so I'm able to walk and film. Whereas before when I was hiking, I'm not the most graceful creature. I mean, you know, you guys, there's used to be picture moments here. Just the beautiful, beautiful jungle view. You know, a nice relaxing area for the hikers. Just mountains, jungle. I'm so glad I didn't see any creatures or snakes or anything like that. But just gorgeous. And nothing, no one. It looks like maybe places where food was once sold. Boy, I could certainly use a coconut drink right now. You know, poor Mr. Socks. His bar is closed. Oh, and he has cocktails, but nothing, no one. Just me. Ice cream hut. Oh, what I would do for an ice cream right now too. A place for sitting. That's me. I motor my little scooter for the weekend. Parking, 30 baht for cars and 20 baht for a bike. There's just no one and nothing. It's very, very sad. So I will be venturing some more, finding some more waterfalls, finding places to stop. It's really cool to be here and to just freaking walk through a jungle to find a waterfall. It's really, really neat. So, dear future boyfriends, I enjoy adventures and crazy, spontaneous things like going through a jungle by myself looking for a waterfall. Anyway, love to all. Thank you for watching.